Kambuni ino ni hotete guthondeka baita ya muigana wa ciringi bilioni 45 na milioni 100. Mutambo wa M-Pesa niguo ucangeire na gacunji kanene utongo uyu haria mbeca iria cionekaga kuhitukira mutambo ucio ciongererekete nginagia ciringi bilioni 55 gaturumo imwe.
Who discovered that M-Pesa has lifted roughly 2% of Kenyans' household out of extreme poverty.
That the board has decided to extend the contract of our CEO, Bob Colemo, for another 2 years.
No ona thengia yoguo mbeca iria cionekaga kuhitukira mutambo wa gutuma ndumiriri ni cinyihite na gacunji ka 3.7 hari igana haria yonete ciringi bilioni 16.7. Oho mwena wa Naikuru Kambuni ino ni rugoririe mutambo mweru wa One Tap uria wina muoroto wa guteithiriria M-Pesa.
You'll find that the guy who is selling you newspapers, for example, has this kind of thing. So he will just enter the amount into his terminal, and then you will tap. We just tap like this, and then you'll find a message in your phone very quickly. It happens very quickly. That asks you to verify by putting in your PIN number, and that's all.
Ni kurehokwo One Tap igukorwo ikinyite bururi mugima mieri 3 iguka thutha wa kugerio mwena wa Naikuru. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV wonjoria njitagwo Njenga wa Wambui.